everyone, welcome to another episode of Lithu's nail art design. I'm going to do a bridal nail art in this video, so let's get started. Mainly, I will be using greenish blue and white colors for doing this nail art. If you guys like to apply dark green color as base coat, you can do that. I am applying greenish blue as the base coat, which is similar to my outfit. But don't forget to use light shade on top of it while making designs. Also you can use yellow color, which will be perfect for a healthy outfits, and we can use this nail art during the wedding seasons. Next is about fixing these stones on our nails. You guys can do this immediately after you apply nail polish. Place some little amount of glue on the place you want to paste the stone, and gently place the stone slowly and carefully. Repeat the same steps on the other nails. If you guys like this look, you can stop here, or else if you want to add some more designs to this, stay watching. During the application of nail polish, don't take too much or too less nail paint. Clean from the back and side from the nail brush as shown in this video. Place on top of your nails and gently slide downwards. Follow the same steps on other nails. Ask your doubts in the comment section about this nail art and also about other nail arts which you like. This nail look will be perfect for a simple Mehandi look and also for those who are guests as attending some wedding. If you guys like this nail look, please say in the comments. I will be doing a little bit modification to this nail art. Using a dotting tool, place small dots in a line keeping a certain distance. I will be using white color to do this. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Also, if you have any doubt about this nail art or any other nail art, you guys are free to ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for getting updated about my videos. On top of this white dots, I will be applying green dots using the smallest pointed dotting tool. Finally, this is how our nail will look. Repeat the same steps on other nails, which will make our nail relatively long and give an elegant look. Meet you all with another nail art in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Finally, this is how our nail will look. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Follow for more such nail art related video and share among your friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Tata bye bye.